friends, my name is Shruti Gupta and you are watching Learning with Shruti. Today we are going to learn how to reduce size of a file. Size of our Excel file. The best way to reduce size of our Excel file. Friends, if you want to share a file in mail, then there is lot of restrictions on the size of the mail. Also, working on large files is a bit difficult. So, in this case, we should save a file in XLSB format, that is Excel binary workbook. Now we are going to see with this an example. This is my file. It has lots of data, lots of sheets full of data. Now I'll see what is the size of my file. The file is saved here. This is a file, Microsoft Office Excel worksheet in 21.2 MB. The size is 21.2 MB. Now I will save this file. F12, shortcut to save as. Excel binary workbook. Excel binary workbook. We'll select the Excel binary workbook. Save the copy. Save. Now we'll see what is the size of this workbook. Used to 9.6 MB. See? 9.47 MB. By this way, we can reduce a file. Working on this file will be much faster than the previous file. Hope friends you like this video. We will be uploading more such videos. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Happy learning. Bye bye.